students, today we'll be dealing with figure-based questions from mensuration. Let me read the first question for you. And make sure whenever you read a question, you should be able to identify these four things from the given data or from the given question. The diagram shows a solid cone and a solid hemisphere. So the shapes involved is a cone and a hemisphere. The cone has radius 2.4 centimeter and slant height 6.3. So the radius of the cone is given, which is 2.4, and the height, the slant height, which is L, is 6.3 centimeter. The hemisphere has radius R centimeter. The total surface area of the cone is equal to the total surface area of the hemisphere. Calculate the value for R. So you are asked to find R, which is the radius of this hemisphere. The main data given to you to make an equation is that this total surface area of the cone is equal to the total surface area of the hemisphere. So the total surface area of a TSA, the total surface area of the cone is equal to the total surface area of the hemisphere. They have given you the curved surface area of the cone, which is pi RL. This is a solid cone that we have. That means it has a solid circle in the base. It is a covered region. So you have to write pi RL, which is the curved surface area of the cone. The formula is given in the question, plus the base region, which is a circle there. So that is pi R square, equal to total surface area of the hemisphere. Now talking about the hemisphere, now the total surface area of the hemisphere is given by the curved region here along with the center, which is the circle, the circular region in the center. You have the circle here. So the area of the circle is pi R square. For the curved region, they have given the curved surface area of a complete sphere. We don't need the complete, we just need half of it. So I'll be dividing 4 pi R squared by 2, which is 2 pi R square. This is 2 pi R square. Talking about the total surface area, it will be pi R square plus 2 pi R square. So pi R squared plus 2 pi R square is the total surface area of the hemisphere. So I have pi RL plus pi R squared equals 3 pi. Now I'll be replacing the radius of the hemisphere with the capital R, which is pi R square. So my formula is ready, or the equation is ready, which need to be solved. Pi times my radius of the cone is 2.4 times my L is 6.3 plus pi times the radius of the cone is again 2.4 squared equals 3 pi capital R square. The capital R is what I have to find, which is the radius of my hemisphere. For quicker calculations, I will remove the pi as the common term from both the terms here. And what comes inside the bracket is 2.4 multiplied by 6.3 plus 2.4 squared, which is equal to 3 pi R squared. Cancelling the pi from both the sides, I can say 2.4 times 6.3 plus 2.4 square equals 3R square. My R square is going to be equal to this term divided by 3. Let me take the calculations to a new page. R square equals 2.4 multiplied by 6.3 plus 2.4 squared divided by 3. So R is going to be square root of 20.88 over 3 Use your calculator to get the value for r equal to 2.63818. And finally, to 3SF, your answer should be 2.64 centimeters to 3SF. So this is the radius of the required hemisphere. R is 2.64. That's it. Thank you.